In this video today, I'm going to show you how to register with Dentigi online step by step. Whether you're a dentist, dental specialist, dental hygienist, or therapist, you can register today online anywhere in the world. To register on Dentigi takes only a few minutes. You click sign up, you choose you're registering yourself as a professional or clinic, you choose your title, very important, you choose your country, then you choose your profession, you add your license number, you add your name, your surname, your email address, and you create your password. Also, you need to click your terms and conditions. If you want to read them, you can click here and create an account. As you come to the dashboard, this is your account control, public profile, edit profile, appointments, your reviews, search settings. Later will be more features, but you need to start with your profile edit. First, you can add your photo. You can fill in on the first page your professional info, which will be visible only to us. No one's going to see this. We will be able to contact you. Next, you click professional info. This is a very important page, and we recommend to fill in all details here. You choose your special interest, and you add your workplace name. Also, you need to add workplace address, your telephone number, and here you need to enter email address where you want to be contacted by patients when they send any inquiries. Here you can add all social media links and add information about yourself or your clinic. And very important, you click Save. Here at the services, it's very important that you fill in details for the services you provide, because these services will be visible on the search settings later. So you choose the category first, and then you choose the treatments. Also, you add the price for the procedure, how much you're gonna cost. And also you can add price from. You can choose another service. You can add up to 5 treatments or consultations to one section. And very importantly, click Save. In this section, under treatments, you can add description of the treatment, before and after photos, and what the treatment needed before and what you have done, and click Save. This part will be visible soon. You will be able to add more than one clinic later. On education section, you can add your studies and click to add more, and very importantly, save. On the other section, here you can add little images or logos of the awards you have, or you work with some brands. Also, you can add languages, and if you click plus, it gives you more options to add more languages. And very importantly, you click Save. Your profile is ready, but is not published. In order to be published, you need to go to Search Settings. On the Search Settings, you will be able to see all services what you added in the service section. And here you need to add price for the consultation, because on Dentigi, people will be booking consultations. As these two were consultations for teeth whitening and cosmetic braces, you add how much consultation gonna cost for this treatment. And very importantly, you click Show in Search. Also, if you have a free option for consultations, you can click Free. If you don't want to be visible on the search section for this particular procedure, you can leave blank and not to click Show in Search. You will be shown in search only for those procedures where you click here. These were exams already, so you just need to write the same price what you written before and click Show in Search. Very important that you click Save. Here you have a notification that your search settings saved. Then you can go back to your dashboard, or you can go to Public Profile. Public Profile shows all the information you entered. As more information you add, is increasing the possibility to be visible on Google. If you entered wrong email address or you want to change your profession, you can do that on Account Control. If you want to disable your account, you can click Disable. You can go back and edit your profile more. If you click on Edit Profile, you go back to the same section where you've been before. On this section, you will have appointments available. Let's go and search for our clinic. Here we go. This is our clinic. We just registered. You're available to be visible, and patients already can require appointments with you. Here, you will see all the list of the procedures you do. Here you will see all the procedures you are available to be booked for. As you can see, for cosmetic braces, we're booking consultation. If patient clicks on this line and press book, they will be able to send you an inquiry for appointment. If you want to see your full profile, you can click on your profile and you can see all the information here. Services will be visible here, treatments will be visible here, and also reviews will be visible here. You are registered. Welcome to Dentigi.